Sweet luxurious life is an African dream. Oh yeah, an African dream. From the day that I was born, I'm an African child. Oh yeah, an African child. Sometimes I remember my mother under the whip. Oh yeah, the whip, the whip. See, sweet luxurious life is an African dream. Can't you hear me now? Shouting out to you, my brothers and sisters in South Africa, the Bayou Mountain Village. Nanny, Garvey, and Paul Bogle, they bear the cross for us. Sweet luxurious life is an African dream. Oh yeah. On the day that I was born, I'm an African child. Oh yeah, an African child. Sweet, luxurious life is an African dream. You gotta know yourself. Why must we fuss and fight? My brothers and sisters, let us unite and do the things that's right, and you will see your light shining over there, so far across the east. The sunrise and the east. I ain't no leg of beast, no. I'm singing out to you. You gotta understand yourself. I was born as a disciplined child, and I will stay that way. Do you hear what I say? Do the thing that is right. Sweet, 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 sweet life. Luxurious life is an African dream. Can't you hear me right now?